knowledge always pays the best interest. Caspian University, established in 1992, is recognized by WHO and Medical Council of India. The university supports excellence and innovation in academic programs, promotes excellence in research, scholarship and teaching. The university is committed to attract and support the best students and faculty who excel at teaching and research. Best Indian faculties for main medical subjects with years of teaching experience are one of the key of universal students from across the globe. Join the university for becoming a better version of them, one of the best universities with the world-class infrastructure. We provide world-class infrastructure and world-class doctors by their unique medical professors and advanced clinical practice at government nationalized standard hospitals. The city has library, the central hub of the university, with well-equipped to support and facilitate teaching, learning and research programs of the institute. Well-stocked with the latest books, research publications, the library at the university is open to all students, faculty members and employees. The auditorium is used for organizing various college functions including seminars, workshops, meetings, cultural shows, etc. Imparting education is all about achieving a perennial flow of knowledge with a happy-go-lucky environment for students. It is essential to establish a feeling of comfort and transparency across the staff in order to make them feel confident about their present as well as their future, unshackled by distractions. The magnificent campus facilities would stimulate your thirst for knowledge and intellectual growth. In terms of infrastructure support, there is a little more that you can ask for. In short, the perfect place for learning and growing. The various cultural activities in the college are organized primarily through the various students and societies under the aegis of cultural committee of the college. Students are encouraged to respect each other's opinions, values and emotions so that the spirit of unity among diversity is maintained in the institution. Caspian University delivered MD Physician program in 5 years and also arranged NCI coaching to crack NCI screening exam in very first attempt. Join Caspian University to be a good doctor, to be a good human being.